Ilongga! Welcome back to my channel. Subong is Ninoy Aquino Day. Kag we are going somewhere. Before that, journaling ko subong. This is my journal. We're going somewhere, so I'm gonna take a bath and see you there. So hi guys. So I've been using this moisturizer for almost 5 days now. This one. And dami siya, nami yung effect. Hino ko siyang moisturizer before I put makeup. So yeah, siyang tsura. Excuse my face because it's not perfect. That's why I have to put makeup. So, muna akong foundation, Kat Von D. Medyo mahal siya but hinahatag lang isa ako ng magulang. So, ayang shade is eyeshade, medium 25. So, ang ginahimo ko is, what's this? Ang ginahimo ko is, isa lang gid siya ka-squeeze, like that. Yan. Naman siya kagamay nga consistency, but it's super damol na ni siya pag-abot sa imong face. So, since it's like very white, gina-mix ko siya sa Maybelline na matte poreless in the shade 220 para medyo madarken siya kag maging pareho siya sa akon nga color. So, yan. And then, i-mix mo lang. Mix lang natin siya. Kung may brush pa mo, pwede ka makagamit. But ako, finger ko lang ginagamit ko. That's one. Ito ka light pa gani siya. Actually, mabakal ko tan isang 330. Ang darker sini. Pero, lamot ako foundation. So, hindi lang anay. So, mula na. Tap, tap, tap. So, next guys is, as you can see, hindi pa siya perfect, but that's okay. I-spread na lang siya. Lagyan natin siya ng powder. This is Nishido Final Powder and Creamy Glow. So, dyan na lang. Wala na tayong arte-arte dito. Yan. Namit na siya pang butanggid sa mga, kung may mga occasions ka mo nga gusto nyo hindi ka mag oily. This is perfect for that. Yan ako matubang because the lighting is good. This one, Mimilok. So, diba? See the difference? Ang technique gali guys, diba? Amo na siya pinakapunta. And then, galakat siya nga, galakat babaw. And then, I'm using this mascara from Maybelline also. O, diba? Magic! So, ang ginahimo ko, may nabilin pa siya. Ginabutan ko sa akong ng kilay. So, mula ni siya guys, oh. hairs lang para maging black siya. And then, hindi naman. Pero natural looking lang siya, guys. Binhimo ko lang siya brown mascara even though it's not brown mascara. But carry lang. So now, let's put some blush. Drunk blush lang siya, guys. So as you can see, may blush lang siya gamay. Maganda ligawa. And then let's finish it with my lip eyes. Sure, hindi ako marunong. Paano ba to? Ito pala. Mian ko na siya, guys, kay light lang siya, pero nan. Lip balm na siya, pero pink na siya dayon. So, hi guys! Hi palangga! Welcome back to my channel! So, kakatapos ko lang maligo at so, yes, amo na siya ako na OOTD bakuna look. And then my earrings, I love it. Thank you ng Jace for this. This is a birthday gift. Napakita ko ng OOTD, guys. This is me, shorts and all. Guys, ang pinakadelikado nga lugar, Watsons. Pinakadelikado for girls. Asura, hi Anay.
Hi, hello.
What's this? Awkward.
Bilog-bilog ng patikyan.
After, ubos na. Simot sarap. So, hi guys! I-end ko na ang vlog and thank you for always watching this vlog and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell below so that you will get notified whenever I post new video. God bless everyone! Bye langga! Bye!